How is everyone doing today? It is Josh going at you with another Mumei reaction, another Mumei action, or Moomin now. I don't know. This is another one of her last songs that she put out a cover for the song Gravity. Not Defying Gravity. No, she is not Alphaba. She is just Mumei. And have not heard the original of this one, but hopefully it's gonna be fun. Looks like a cute little her walking with a dog. So we will see how it is. I know she said that this was when she recorded it. She had to break it up into multiple sessions because of her, her voice problems she's got going on. So it's not all done in like one day or like a short time frame. So it could be cut together and sound a little odd. So I guess I'll see if I notice that and see if I really care. I probably won't. But we'll see. But before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below if you enjoy this content. And if you want to see more in the future, consider going to my Patreon. And with that being said, let's get into it. Got the strings going. Okay. Maybe it is from a musical. I don't know. You got the whole orchestra with them.
Are the memories I hold still valid, or have the tears diluted them? Maybe this
She's got such a pure voice, man.
the rain will cease to follow.
Like it resonates in just such a like a peaceful way. You nailed that. No, it definitely, like I said, this definitely feels like something you'd hear in a musical. This is like that third act. I'm finally moving towards the dreams that I want to. Kind of a song. Hmm. Mm-hmm. I think I might have only noticed like one spot where like it may have been recorded at a different time, but she did a good job at keeping consistent. Like I barely noticed if it was done at different times. She just got a good voice and it fit together with itself very well. So I really could not have picked out besides like one spot where it might have been recorded at a different time. So if she hadn't even said that, I wouldn't even be thinking that. So that's the only reason why I even possibly pointed that out. So that was good. And why they gotta put all the really, really good music right before they graduate, just to be like, ha, and you'll never hear this again. Shit. Man, this sucks. This is not great. Well, thanks for making it to the end anyway. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.